Hey everybody, Dr. Brad Nelson here. I've got a really big announcement for you today that I'm really excited about. The Body Code web version launches today. Now I know that some of you have been having trouble with your Android Body Code. Suddenly, the charts are missing. What happened was we had a big event going on in Germany over this last week. It ended Saturday, and so our developers pushed out a new version, an improved version of the app in German. And when we did that, there was a glitch that caused the English charts to disappear. So all of a sudden, everybody in Germany had the German charts, but there were no English charts. So anyway, we have the new web version. I want to show you what that looks like. So first of all, you can, if you're already a subscriber and you already have the body code, you can visit this page right here, app.discoverhealing.com, okay? And you can log into it. So let me show you what it actually looks like here, if I can do that. If it's going to let me. Yeah, here we go. Let's take a look. So here we are. Let's see here. All right. And hello to those of you that are joining us right now. Thanks for being with us here. So if you go to discoverhealing.com and you're there and you're looking at the page, if you just click on app, it's going to take you to the sign up page where you can subscribe, and it shows you all about the Body Code app and so on, tells you all about it. And once you're signed up for it, then go to app.discoverhealing.com, and this is what you will sign into. Okay, this is the body code that now is going to run on your computer in a browser. Okay, which is going to obviate a lot of the issues that that people have been having, and we're hoping to have those fixed. By the way, if you have an Android phone, Google is telling us it should be fixed within a couple of hours, so we're saying, okay, probably today or tomorrow, but hopefully within a couple of hours, those maps should be back, okay? So anyway, this is what the body code looks like in a browser. I'm running this in Safari. And so you can have this on your iPad or your desktop computer, whatever. It works just exactly the same, okay? Looks exactly the same. We've added a little, the icon now shows up here when you click on something. But let's go somewhere where you can actually see some of the charts. Let's go into nutrition and lifestyle. We'll go into nutrition and nutrients. And if you scroll down, oh, look, there's the chart. If you go to, oh, and by the way, you have a breadcrumb trail here, so you can, follow along really easily. It's really nice. I've been using this lately. We've been working on this for several months now. Just this web version, trying to make sure that it's going to work right, etc. And it looks like it's going great. So here's the Foods app, and of course you can scroll in and scroll out just by pinching and zooming on your own browser. Okay. So just wanted to let you know that that is available. All right. So let's see here. Okay, Maria says, thank you for making this option available. Yeah, absolutely. We think that you guys are really going to love this. This is something that people have been asking for a really long time. And we had to get the mobile apps to a certain point where they were stable enough and everything, and our development team could then turn their attention to this. So they've been working on this kind of on the side for a while now. So so yes, absolutely. Let me say hello to everybody. So hello, Claire and Gregory and Laura from Romania. Hello to you. And let's see here. Okay, so there you go. Let me throw that up there again. So it's app.discoverhealing.com to log into this, okay? But if you haven't already subscribed to it, then you will need to subscribe to it first. And so if you have to do that, you can go to discoverhealing.com/app. Okay. So let's see here. Okay. Adrian says hello. Erica, Can you please let me know if there are any upcoming in-person training certifications for the emotion code in the US or UK, or how can I get this info? The best thing to do is go to discoverhealing.com and just go to the events tab and take a look at that. Barbara says, cool. Yes. Thank you. Awesome. And Mona says, thank you, Dr. Brad. I appreciate this very much. As my charts were missing. Yeah. I mean, when we found out about this, we thought, oh no, our practitioners that are using the body code on their phones to do sessions and so on, all of a sudden the charts are missing. That's obviously kind of disastrous. And so we were really, we've been, trying to figure this out, but looks like it's good here. Okay, no worries. Hello, Carla, and hello, honey, and Lynette says, wow, stunning, cool. Irina says hi from Italy, hello to you, and Sandy says hello from the deep of Texas, hello to you, and Bobby's in Leakey, Texas, and Mona's in Vancouver Island, BC, and Rahel is in Switzerland, hello to you, and hello, Kelly, and Kathy, and Milark has a question, says, is this available in Spanish? No, not yet, okay? But that's the next big thing that we're going to be working on to get it there. Erica says, okay, thanks, Dr. Brad, and thank you for the blessing of the emotion code. It's changing my life. Fantastic. Yeah, that's so great. Awesome. Mona says, all is good now, so thanks again. All right, awesome. So anyway, once again, okay, this is just a quick announcement to let you guys know. Bodycode Web is now available, okay? So this is what it looks like. And if you look up here at the top, you'll see it's app.discoverhealing.com is where you need to go. So once again, let me throw that up on the screen here for a second. Hold on, let's see. Here we go. app.discoverhealing.com. That's where you'll want to go. That little URL right there, okay, will log you in to this, okay? And this is the body code running on your desktop computer, running wherever. This is a browser. I have a Safari browser running, that's all. And so you can click in here and it's going to take you to all these things that you know and love. Boom. Nice, right? Yeah, so anyway, we're really excited about this. It's really so nice to be able to use it on a on your desktop, on a computer. You can run this from anywhere. You could use this in your phone too, but of course you've already got the app. But for those of you that are just joining us, we did have a little glitch with Android. We pushed a new update in German and it broke something in English, and so all of a sudden the charts weren't there anymore. And so it was just one line of code. They finally tracked it down and changed it, and Google says it should be fixed on everybody's Android phones in a new update that should be coming out within a couple of hours, but we're going to say today or tomorrow, okay? But that's what Google is saying, a couple of hours. But in the meantime, you've got now the web version that you can use, okay? So this is running in Safari on my phone, or on my laptop, okay? So yeah, this is going to be fun. So let's see if we've got any other comments here. Sue says, hello from Fort McMurray, Alberta, Canada. Thank you for creating this. Absolutely. And like the rest of us, right? I just work here. So have the Discover Healing app. Can I access the body code from there? Yeah, you can. So this is the Discover Healing app, okay, that now runs on your web browser. So let me just explain one more time, okay? If you go to, let's see here. If you already have the body code app on your mobile device and you're already subscribed, you can go to app.discoverhealing.com and it will, you go there, and obviously in a browser, and it'll ask you to log in. You put in your username and password, and boom, you're in the Discover Healing app, the body code, on your computer, okay? If you don't have a subscription already, then what you would want to do, let me show you, you would go to, you go here. You go to Discover Healing, and either over here in this pancake stack of links or across the top, depending on how wide your browser is. You just click on App. It takes you to this page, and you can scroll down, you can learn all about it, etc. And then you can sign up. There's some kind of a sign up button here somewhere. Yeah. So remember, you get the emotion code flowcharts and the free 7-day trial with full app access for free. If you want to sign up for the whole body code and get access to everything, the whole app is $29 a month. Okay. And once you got a username and a password, then you go to app.discoverhealing.com, and then you get this. So I just want to show you that all of the charts and everything are all working in here. You got your superfood chart, and by the way, on a browser you can just pinch and zoom and bring these in and up, bring them in and out, and so on. And so I think this is going to go a long way towards helping everybody to be more productive and so on. I mean, it's great having it on your phone, but when you're actually a practitioner and you're using it with people, a lot of the time you're not going to be using it on your phone all day long. You're going to want it on your desktop, and so that's now what's available for you. So this has taken our developers, a while to get figured out, but this is it. Okay, so let's see here. All right. Lindall, hello to you. Hello from Australia. Body code's amazing. Thank you. Absolutely. Tammy says, oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. So exciting. Absolutely. Silka says, hello. I'm just learning for the certificate. What luck do I have to see you now? Funny. Greetings from Germany. Well, hello. Teresa says, you have to be certified in body code to access this. No, you don't. No. Anybody can access this. This is available for everybody. Remember what happened to me and why this was even created was because about a year after the Emotion Code book was first published in 2007, I woke up one morning and my mind was full of instruction, and I was told specifically, you need to take everything that you've learned about natural healing and put it into a self-study course that anyone can learn and make it available to everyone everywhere. Okay, and so that's what this is. Okay, this is everything that I've learned. And even what we've learned since then, okay, is all in here as well. And so, so no, you do not have to be certified in anything to do this. You can just use this without being certified at all. Okay, but of course, if you are going to be using this, if you're going to be charging people money, then because it's copyrighted materials, we reserve the right to put you through a program of certification and make sure that you're not a lunatic, okay? We just want to make sure that you know what you're doing, okay? So Maisa says, I was expecting this. Cool. Helena says, hello from Poland. Debbie says, hi, Brad. So glad you made the background white. Yep, the background. Actually, you know what? The background is white on these. On your phone, you can have light and dark modes, okay, on your phone. And I think that's working on all the phones now, hopefully. So Ingrid says, hello from France. This is awesome. Next step is in more languages like French. Yes. Well, when you're creating software like this, you run into glitches sometimes, but we're really getting things smoothed out. So this is going to go a lot faster, a lot faster. So, so for example, just to give you an idea how this works, it used to be, for those of you that remember the original body code a long time ago, all the information was in the program itself. And to change languages or to move to another language, to create another language in there was just unbelievably difficult. And the programmers that created it that first time were not really... they didn't really create it quite right to make it easier. But what we've done now is all the information that you see here on the app is all stored in the cloud. So the nice thing about that is that we can make changes to it pretty easily, and we can add languages relatively easily compared to how it used to be, okay? And it's an enormous improvement, and there's more to come. By the way, this is not the end of it. Okay, and I can't really tell you any more than that. But there's going to be more. There are going to be really some really cool things we're going to be introducing, hopefully next year. So anyway, again, for those of you that are just joining us, just wanted to let you know, Bodycode Web has launched today. All right. So if you've been having any trouble with your Android phone with missing charts and things, you don't have to download this. This runs in your browser. Go to app.discoverhealing.com and just log in. And if you've already got it on your mobile device, now you got it on your desktop. Okay, and just make a link for it and save your username and password in there, and you've got it instantly accessible. And so this is something, like I said, we've been working on for a while. But we're super excited about this. So, yeah, let's see here. All right. So Elizabeth says, yep, have it. Great. Thanks. Awesome. Connie says hello. Hi, Connie. Lucy from New York. Hello. And Karina, greetings from Germany. Yoli from California. Hello. And Monique, hello to you. And Brandy, hello to you. And let's see here. Yeah, Ellen says, thank you so much for this process. Man, you're so welcome. This this whole thing, this body code, it's really my life's work, and I had no idea. I had no idea this is what was going to happen, but it's really so much fun. Sophie says, I love it. It will be easier to use the new web version when I do sessions on Zoom. Love from Denmark. Yes, absolutely right. See, it'll make it really easy to share. If you're using Zoom, you can share your screen, share your browser, and people can see what you're doing, right? Yeah, it's just going to be awesome. Nancy says, is it possible to do body code virtually like the emotion code? Yes, it all works virtually, which is so great, right? Because now we're living in, in the day of virtual stuff, okay? All right, let's see here. Kayleen says, thank you. Nice to see you, Kayleen. Okay, Rahel says, Dr. Brad, are there any plans when T3 certification will be available again? Yes, we have a plan for that. We're hoping first or second quarter, okay, of this coming year, but sometime this coming year, okay? So we'll keep you posted about that. All right, Ingrid says, I understand this. Dr. Brad, you did an amazing job. Just that in more languages would be so helpful for so many people more. Yes, and you're welcome, and thank you. Yeah, our mission is to take this to the whole world, because that's what I was told, right? I didn't make that up. It was too much work. I wouldn't have made it up, because after I got that message, this needs to go to the whole world, it took me about 3 months. I'm kind of embarrassed to say this, but it took me about 3 months of thinking about it, because I thought, man, this is going to be a lot of work. I don't know. And I just kind of kept putting it off, right? And then I finally got it going. Maria says, got it running. Yay. All right. Awesome. Angela says, just missed the URL. Can we download this? No, it's not downloadable. It just runs in your browser, okay? It runs in your browser. So let me give you the link again. Okay, here we go. There it is, app.discoverhealing.com. How simple is that, right? app.discoverhealing.com. If you already have a subscription, go there. If you don't have a subscription, then what you do is you go to discoverhealing.com/app. So just the opposite. And then you can sign up for that, and off you go, okay? So let's see here. Let me get back to this. And yeah, all right. And Ranghildur, I think I'm saying your name right. Thanks for joining us. And let's see here. Brandy says, I'm fulfilling my soul purpose through your method. Yeah, and isn't that so amazing? And so many people are around the world. It's high time that we start healing ourselves and learning the art of healing, because there's so much healing that needs to take place in this world, right? The world has to transform. This world has been under the grip of darkness, really, for thousands of years, right? Thousands of years. Think about it. Think of all the blood that's been shed on this planet, all the wars that have been fought. Just insane, crazy stuff where darkness has really had control. that is starting to shift, right? That's starting to break open. And things are going to transform. There's going to be a struggle that we're going to have to go through to get there. But I'm telling you, on the other side of that, it's going to be unimaginable how amazing and how great and how insanely fantastic it is going to be. And this work that we're doing here is just a little piece of moving us over that hump, right? That's what this is about, okay? And so we have to transform individually to be able to transform as a planet. That's just how it works. And the great thing about this is with the body code, the emotion code, we teach you how to do it, okay? So, yep, so much fun. Well, gee, we got a lot of people on here. Let's see. Thank you all for joining us. And Body Mind Connection from Oregon, Selena says, just got certified in the body code. This is super exciting. Yeah, I knew you guys were going to be excited about this because it's just so much fun. This is from Heidi from Vienna. I love the body code and my clients too. Yeah, isn't that so great? Let me tell you something. That's the secret sauce with this is love, right? It's love that we're trying to teach everybody. It's love that makes you a great practitioner. Healing, real true healing happens and is powered by love, see? And the more you do this, the more your ability to love grows, right? And you become a different kind of a person. You start to climb that ladder. You start to become more of an ascended being. And becoming an ascended being is the way that people talk about it, but really all it's about is it's just about becoming more open. It's having a heart that's open. It's being able to give and receive love more freely, like you're supposed to be able to. The problem is, we come into this world from a place of perfect love, and this is a very dark world, I think, in many ways. It's a beautiful world, but darkness has had sway for so many centuries. But that is shifting, see? And so this is part of that. So pretty exciting. Let's see here. So Nancy says, so excited to take the body code certification, finishing emotion code now and cannot wait to use this app and help my clients. Awesome. Yes, you're going to love it. So much fun. Robin says, hooray, so exciting. And this is Mie, I think. Hello from Canada. She loves the body code. Hello to you. And Monique says, amen. Yep. Tammy says, hi from Lethbridge. Just received my body code certification today. So excited. Oh, awesome. Good for you. And think about it. This is going to be so great, right? To be able to have the body code running in your browser. This has been a long request, and we've known for a number of years. We've been working on this for years. And when people started having trouble over the weekend with their Android app losing the images, we decided, you know what, we need to accelerate this. We weren't going to launch this today. We were going to launch it, a little bit down the road, but we thought we need to launch this now so that people can use this because they're having trouble with their apps. Even though those are probably going to be fixed here before long. I mean, hopefully Google says a couple of hours, but you never know. Monique says, thank you, and you're welcome. Isabel says, hello from UK, Northumberland. Awesome. Hello to you. And Padmavarajri, sorry, says, I'm in. Thank you, Dr. Brad. I'm training in the body code and it's helping so many people, including me, Helen. Yes, and isn't that the cool thing? When you work with people and you're helping them and you're healing them, what happens to you? You get healed, right? It helps you. And that's the beauty of this. Let's see here. I love that you say that. When I got certification for emotion code, my intention was to help people be prepared for that miraculous change. Yes, the change that's coming. It's coming. We have to get ready, right? Because it is coming. And we need to be on those higher levels of vibration, right? We need to be experiencing love and being able to give love and receive love and see what's happening now, right? Think about the fear that's being created worldwide. People are terrified, right? Well, that's how governments control people, is they create fear for them, terrify them so that They're easy to control. Well, what's the opposite of fear? The opposite of fear is love. So this is the battle that is going on and has been going on since day one on this planet. The battle is between fear and love. And let me tell you something. We know how this battle ends, right? We know how it ends. Love is going to prevail. So we just have to live long enough to see it, okay? So Carla says, are there any plans to make this available as a hard copy as the Body Code 2.0 was? Not at this point, no. Joanna says, I'm working right now doing massage, so I have to go, but listen later. Okay, that's great. You know what? I have to get going too. So no worries. Ingrid says, so amazing we can make this world a better place. Yes, right? We have to. Who else is going to do it? I mean, it's up to us. It's our planet. Jane says, Abundance Breakthrough rocks. Abundance Breakthrough is a program that goes with the Body Code that helps you to break through your abundance blockages. So it sounds like she's had some success there, so that's awesome. Lucy says, I have the book and love it. I was working with someone for months, but I still have the same issues. Is there a deeper process to it? Well, the deeper process is the Body Code, right? Because the emotion code is all right in the energies area right here, okay? The emotion code is right in here, the trapped emotions, the heart wall. In fact, compound stuff's not even in there, but trapped emotions and the heart wall, this is in there. But remember that the emotion code, with the emotion code, you can probably fix 80 to 90% of most problems that come up. But what about the other 10 or 20%? Well, that's when the Body Code comes in so handy, because you can figure out what's going on. Remember, the subconscious mind knows what your issues are. It knows exactly with a perfect understanding what you need. If you've got some kind of maybe a pathogen going on, or maybe you have a misalignment of something going on. Maybe it's a tooth. I mean, you never know, but you can drill all the way down to individual teeth here in this system. And look at that breadcrumb trail, man. That's pretty gnarly. So, and of course, we looked at all the charts now are in here: superfoods, proteins, foods, herbs. In this new system, we even have essential oils. We have a chart for those. And what's so cool about this is, like, for example, the other day I was working with somebody who had a fungal issue, and the Body Code took me to essential oils. And so I'm going through here, and it takes me to column B to row 4. Column B, row 4 is right here. And I'm going through these, testing lemon myrtle, is it lime, it's manuka. It's manuka. Manuka is strong. And so then I looked up manuka, because I didn't remember, I've eaten manuka honey, but I didn't really know what manuka was. So I looked it up, and what do you think it said? It said, yeah, it said manuka oil is like 10 times more powerful as an antifungal than even tea tree, right? The beauty of this is that these subconscious minds that we all have within us, on a subconscious level, know far more than we can even imagine, and they're tied in. Every subconscious mind in the world is tied into the database of universal intelligence, the light of Christ, the morphic field. Depends on who you talk to. It goes by different names, but it's basically the database of genius, you see. And so we all have that. And that's how this works. It taps in to that database of genius, right? So fun. So anyway, that's the big announcement today. I wanted to let you guys know that the Body Code web is now officially launched, okay? And so I hope you guys have a lot of fun using it. I hope it makes your life easier. It's great to be able to have it on your desktop or your laptop right there. And one more time, just remember that if you go to app.discoverhealing.com, that is the URL where you will access this web version of the Body Code, or the Discover Healing app. It gets a little confusing there, okay? App.discoverhealing.com. And remember that if you don't have it already, if you're not already signed up for it, go to discoverhealing.com/app, okay? Remember that we have a YouTube channel at Discover Healing. Okay, so you can look us up there. Feel free to share, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications so that when something new comes up, you don't miss it. All right. So I want to thank all of you for being on with us today, with me and with all of us. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope you get a lot of great use out of this Body Code Web version. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.